crafting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share another brand new release from Colorit. This one is called Mandalas Volume 4. I also showed you Mandalas to Color Volume 3, so I'll be sure to link that in the cards up top. Now, I am a Colorit affiliate, so I do earn a small commission when you shop using the link in the description below. Colorit is also so fabulous. They always send me a discount code for my viewers, so check the description below for that as well. There will be some deadlines and dates involved, so read carefully. They do also always offer to do a giveaway for one of my viewers whenever I unveil one of their new releases. So this time is no exception. Colorit would like to send one of you lovely, lovely people this book, Mandalas Volume 4. To enter that giveaway, drop a comment in the description below. Tell me what your favorite coloring tool is. So is it Inktense? Is it Prismacolor? Is it Faber-Castell? Give me all the details below. This is going to be open to only US viewers, but this is shipping directly from Colorit, so huge thanks to them. I'm filming this well ahead of when it airs, so I'll be sure to put the deadline to comment on the screen for you. I will be getting in touch with you via your comment, so be sure to check your comments every now and then so that we can connect with one another. All right, let's flip through this brand new, beautiful release. I have not even looked through this yet, you guys, so we're gonna be working through it together. Here we have our lovely title page, and I love how every Colorit book has this awesome blotter page that you can tear out, test your coloring medium. They also give you some color palettes that you might play around with in this book. A nice engraving page there. And then let's look at some mandalas. Do you guys find mandalas relaxing to color? What's your mandala experience? I would love to hear. I love that one. I love that one already. Lovely. I tend to go for really flowing lines, I've noticed, in the things that I prefer. Those look like little pearls around the edges. Little swirls. It almost looks like rays of sunlight. That might be pretty in a yellow palette. Really geometric one. Looks like the ceiling of a beautiful cathedral. I love it. So if you check out the cards, the link to Mandalas Volume 3, you'll notice that Mandalas Volume 3 had a lot of kind of creative mandalas in it. So not completely symmetrical mandalas. This one I'm noticing as we go along is more of the traditional mandalas. So the designs are really symmetrical. These will be really relaxing. I can see myself sitting in the living room doing some really simple color schemes because sometimes, ooh, I like the detail of that one. Sometimes we just need to relax and do we need to simplify our lives. I tend to make all my coloring really complicated, and I need to remember that it's okay to sit and relax and just color with one color at a time. That one's cool. That's got a lot of tiny detail in it. Really fun. Nice. That one kind of looks like flames to me. Maybe red and orange for that one. I really love the swirly lines. That one's great. Do you think the design lends itself to a particular color palette? That one looks like a flower to me. That one's really cool. More really tiny details on that one. That's going to be fun if you love tiny details. So there's a little something for everyone, it looks like. Some larger areas and then some that just have some really tiny areas, depending on what your preferences are. Waves. That one reminds me of waves, or maybe wind. Maybe some blues on that one. This reminds me of the spirographs that we had when we were kids. That was really cool. Maybe you're much younger than me. You didn't have spirographs when you were kids. That looks like a beautiful mosaic tile pattern. Nice. That one's interesting. Leaves all over, some greens on that one. Might be gorgeous. Oh, that's lovely. That one looks like stained glass. Maybe a rainbow palette there, like some stained glass. Another geometric. Some really large areas on that one. That one would be fun and easy to do. Those are really cool. This looks so relaxing to do. I can see that like laid into some tile flooring. Wouldn't that be amazing? You could have a mandala on your floor. That's great. Very cool. I don't know how the artist comes up with all these different patterns. That's amazing. Really cool. That one reminds me of a pinwheel. Oh, look at that. This one strikes me as being like rather Celtic in its vibe. So maybe some greens on that one. If you see something totally different when you look at these, let me know. I'd be curious to see what you think. Really fun. That's really fun, Colorit. So this brand new release is available right now at Colorit. Check that affiliate link in the description below. I hope that's convenient for you. I am also looking forward to perhaps trying out my watercolor brush pen set in this book because I think these images will lend themselves really well to these pens. So I'm sort of excited about that. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Like I said, check the description below for that fabulous discount code from Colorit. We really appreciate it, Colorit. Thank you also for the giveaway for one of my viewers. That is so much fun. Tell me what your favorite page was, if you can riddle out a way to tell me. That will take some creativity, but I'm excited to hear how you do that. Thanks so much for stopping in today. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.